So I mapped Sunny Lenarduzzi's brain. For you guys that don't know who Sunny is, she's an 8-figure earning Canadian multimillionaire who trains entrepreneurs to be elite. Learning from her is probably the best decision that you can make if you're an entrepreneur, especially if you have a course. So what I'm about to show you is a way to stay focused while learning from Sunny faster and more efficiently, and store all of your notes in the same place. See, one big problem that I face is just trying to figure out where my notes are. Is it in Notion? Is it on a piece of paper? Literally, I can never find my notes. I would take notes and then they were gone. Now I save so much time having my notes in a searchable database, and my attention isn't all over the place because of YouTube's mighty algorithm. So now let's get into it. So I basically took everything about her online and put it in a searchable database, mainly her YouTube content, even her affirmation meditations and PDFs. If you want to know what she thinks about a specific topic, you can just search it. Every video is transcribed, so you can identify how many times she's mentioned something and where she's mentioned it, and with timestamps. So if you don't have time, you don't have to watch the entire video. You can just skip ahead to where she mentioned what you want to learn about and easily highlight things so you can come back to them. Let's take cats for example. And there we go, I can see where cats was mentioned with timestamps. Copy the link, use Command D to pull up the video and just paste it. So now you can watch the video and take notes at the same time. If you press Command Shift F, you can see where she mentioned any word from any topic in any of her content. And also after you come out of one of her affirmation meditations, you can easily take notes. You can also see a 3D version of all of her thoughts and how they connect. There's this cool whiteboard feature where you can see some of the diagrams that she laid out in her videos. There's a calendar feature which helps you keep track of all your daily notes. And the best part about all this is there's built-in AI. So if you have a question, there's an answer. And there's so many more features. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're looking to level up your entrepreneurial game in 2023, visit searchablebrain.com. The link is in the bio. Feel free to join our private Telegram group if you have any questions.